night we had Luke Kahn from FK Create, design company, and he was telling us a little bit about his company. He's been in business for about 4 years, and also giving us some of his experiences of exporting, particularly to China, Dubai. I think he's going back to China again shortly, and also Saudi Arabia. He's also dealt with America, I think, a little bit too.
Within the first 12 months, I went out to China looking for work. Seen it was a massive opportunity and thought, what better way to experience it and learn about it than actually go and do it. So China, I've done a lot with and had an office space there for a period of time, and been back there 3 or 4 times over the last couple of years, as well as Dubai. So I've had a bit of experience with Dubai in terms of outsourcing to them, and now moving that relationship on to actually having a Dubai-based office. Well, the journey in general has been an exciting, strange, weird journey, but the cultural differences, the learning, the drinking at lunch of fire water is just very strange. So, yeah, I think every corner has been a new experience, something new I've discovered or made mistakes on, which I'm a firm believer in making mistakes. So.
How important is it, do you think, in the current economic climate for businesses to look outside, not just Wales, but outside the UK?
We have to. Fundamentally, we have to export. We have to bring in money from other places, and if we're going to be closed and insular, then that's what we'll be. We need to open our mind and open up to export market and not be afraid of doing it, because everyone's human at the end of the day.
What advice would you give to anyone wanting to start?
Do it. Short and simple. Just go and do it. You will make mistakes, I can guarantee it, but they're the best things to do. As long as you learn from them, don't make them again. So advice I'd give is go and do it.
I mean, we went through the 2008 recession, when things have been very difficult for a couple of years. And most of the commentators and governments throughout the UK have been saying that exporting is the way we can grow our way out of recession. Obviously that's true because the UK market is a very static market at present. People haven't got much money, the banks aren't lending money. So that's been very good, I think, to think about exporting and try and drive that forward. It's very interesting actually that there's a statistic that in August UK exports were 25.5 billion, which was the highest month total since records began in 1998. But within that figure, there's another couple of interesting statistics. US export trade in August grew, but in Europe, our main European trading partners, Germany, France and Holland, all saw the imports from the UK fall. So our exports to those countries, which is the core of Europe really, fell. And I think that with the Eurozone crisis we have at the present time, that's going to continue for the next year or two. So really the way out of that for people and for customers is to think about exporting to some of the other economies, some of the ex-tiger economies as they used to be called, China, India, South America, where there really is some excellent growth at the moment. China is projected to grow at 9% this year, India at 8%, and the UK's growth is likely to be 1 to 1.2%, and the Eurozone similar. So Europe's going to be difficult for a couple of years. I think what companies need to do, hopefully with the help of the association, is to think about expanding and getting into new markets. Further afield, a bit more difficult, but we'll give them as much support as we can, and get into China, get into Asia and get into South America, because growth is there and there are real opportunities for Welsh companies.